If you've got roaches hiding in your kitchen right now, this is the last DIY trap you'll ever need to make. 3 cheap ingredients, 5 minutes, and 0 toxic spray. Let me show you exactly how it works and why roaches can't resist it. Here's the trick. Roaches are drawn to sugar. It's basically candy to them, but baking soda reacts badly with their digestive system once they eat it. It's completely safe around your family and pets in these small amounts, but deadly to roaches. Charcoal helps bind the mixture into a paste and, bonus, makes it easy to tuck into tight corners without it falling apart. Here's how to make it. Start with a piece of natural charcoal. Grind it down into a fine powder. Now add sugar and baking soda in equal parts to your charcoal powder. Then add just a few drops of vegetable oil, enough to bring it all together into a thick, moldable paste. You want something like soft clay, not runny. Once it's mixed, scoop small amounts into bottle caps or tiny containers. This keeps the bait contained and easy to place, and easy to remove once it's done its job. Placement is everything. Roaches travel along walls and through damp, dark spots. So set your bait caps near the sink, behind the toilet, along the shower drain, and inside kitchen cabinets. Anywhere you've spotted activity, that's where this goes. The sweet scent pulls roaches in from a distance, and once they take the bait back to the nest, it can affect others there too. Leave these out for a few days and check back. You'll usually notice fewer roaches showing up within the first week. Refresh the bait every 5 to 7 days, or sooner if it dries out, since a dried out paste won't attract them the same way. If your kitchen's had a roach problem, try this before reaching for another can of spray. It's cheap, it's natural, and it actually works. Subscribe for more natural pest control tricks like this one, and let me know where you're watching from. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests with hydrogen peroxide.